Hello, everybody. Brian here from Quantlabs.net. I should be now saying Quantlabsnetcom. As you can see here, this is our new domain. This is our new website. We're starting in a new phase, version 2 of Quantlabs.net, now Quantlabsnet.com. Wanted to make sure that everybody uh, sees this. Been working on it for the last few weeks. Current websites will be shut down within a few weeks. So this is a new one. This is powered by Wix, the website platform. And I wanted to go through this very lengthy video on what I'm planning to do, what I am doing, and just to make sure you understand how this is more distinctive than anywhere else you've been. I've been doing this for 12 plus years. So anyways, let's get into everything. First thing I want to highlight is the group section. There's three groups in here. I'll be making videos for each group, what they do, but specifically, there is a public group, so anyone can join that. We've got a whole whopping number of members now, and then we're building out our quant analytics, which is more for traders, programmatic traders, systematic traders, obviously included, but mostly geared towards just general any trader, any investor. Um, and there's a lot of unique data in there. I've also got a third group, which is more private for all my programming courses. And I've got a group built for that for people to add comments, questions, anything new I'm seeing in the quant field for programming. I see multiple, like a lot, um, each day when I go through my news. So, one of the big benefits of the public group is the news section in here. I put up news every day, covers crypto, trading, quant, programming, forex, not so much there, equity, that would include stock and ETF as well. So there's many every day. There's news being dropped. Okay, so that's the groups. Okay, so again, you'll find these all under the more option here at the right. So in here, I'll be putting in events. I'm not sure if I'll be doing as many events as I used to do, like every Monday. If there's enough to, if there's enough, excuse me, if there's enough demand, I'll definitely ramp that up. Now, the program list is a fancy way of saying all the courses that I had in the previous sites. They're pretty well the same. If you don't know, I've been putting a lot of big effort on TradingView just due to because I think it's the best and easiest trading platform to move to. With the latest other service that I've now taken down as a YouTube video playlist, it's now part of one of my courses, um, and that enables you to, without programming, to be able to do quote unquote, automated trading, and it works flawlessly. I've been running it now for about 6 weeks, 100% functional, very easy to set up through the support of this service. Is about $50 a month. There's a limited number of brokers that are available that will connect between TradingView and this service. I'm with obviously Interactive Brokers. You can, for now, as far as I've seen, Coinbase cryptocurrency support as well. I've tested that. That works pretty well, very well actually. And soon, and they may already have it Kraken, and they're supposed to be adding in OEND as well. So there's a limited supply there. And to set it up, it's not that hard. But as I said, the support will go out of their way to make sure you're set up. And you do this once again in a non-coding way. So right now, when it comes to moving forward, I'll be focusing more on the Pine script, which is the proprietary trading language of TradingView, and focusing on other strategies for different market conditions, meaning mean reverting, the trend following I kind of have now, just other ones that will work better for different types of market conditions and strategies and whatnot. So that's that. Now, also, I've still got the pretty high intense Python trading infrastructure course as well. I want to highlight though, that's from 2019. Okay, that's really important to know. So the concepts are still there, everything's still compatible. But I just want you, when you get into it, if you do decide to get into the Python way, everyone wants to do the complicated way. I don't know why. I was part of that crowd for many years, but using the one I just mentioned with the trading view and automated trading, it's so easy. You can be up and running within a day, and no coding needed. And again, some challenges with trading bots. Now, I had a bunch of other courses. A lot of videos have been lost, so I've not been able to port them over. And to be honest, I think already 6 courses are enough for people. So this, the Pine script, the Python, and this one as well will be added to the programming group that I talked about, as well as the auto trading as well. So they'll get added as well. So that's all chargeable. Now in here, I'm very excited with this option as well. And you can see here, we have file sharing as well. So that's still brand new, experimenting as well. So that'll be all free for now, but there'll probably be some paid. We have a members, we have a, I don't know, call it a gift card. I'll be putting up and putting out more information on the store as it gets launched. Um, and one other big thing here is if you want to book time with me, I have that set up. Right now, it's very cheap. And I'm doing that because, I'm just kind of like starting out from ground zero again. It's a new domain, so I have to work on the authority of the webs of this new domain using Wix. It's going okay, but because I have a fairly large established audience, like I have that as an advantage, so I'm using that as well. If you want to opt in, go under Learn in there. I got to fix this. This will get you the 45-minute video intro to see why TradingView is the better the better way to trade, I think. Also, I have a way to contact. I have to update all this fun stuff as well. One of the big things I think that will make a difference with this technology I'm using from Wix. I used to be on WordPress, so WordPress is pretty well, in my mind, dying out, losing a lot of relevancy. A lot of people say otherwise, but I don't need to. I'm just basing on my own experience over the last 10 plus years, where Wix is better, just better technology and whatnot, better support. Anyways, where it benefits you is a few things. It's more of a community based uh, platform that I can use to leverage off of. I've got my regular blog in here, things like that. You can log in, track, and be part of a social network, whichever group you're part of, the free one here, the public one, uh, or one of the paying ones as well, which is a recurring. And right now it's fairly affordable. But I think it's pretty good. For example, I've put out a couple of stocks that look pretty good in these market conditions that we're in right now. It's about dividend income. So that's what I'm focusing on with the ETF. I'm still doing crypto. I'm just finding crypto's kind of rough right now. You put a trade in, you make money, you lose money, and you just stay flat. So I'm trying to change it up to go after more better performing with a dividend income return with that. So going back to what I was saying about Wix, one of the big benefits now, and I know this is the direction of a lot of internet users, including you, I'm going to have through Wix, I'll be able to support now um, mobile apps. So I'll be starting out with an Android app. It'll pretty well be a mimic copy of what I'm showcasing here, as well as it'll be much more convenient to get involved with the community that I'm hoping to build out. Again, it's free, um, and people can post questions, comments, the like. The only thing I ask for is no spamming. That's why I'm not on pushing any more Telegram, pushing no more third party stuff like Substack, like Discord. It's just you're really building out content that they benefit from, not you. Whereas I want to benefit for um my own platform, my own website, and indirectly, as people jump aboard and hopefully value everything, it gets the website to a proper place, so that community can positive creating related community can come out of it, as well as the automation and programming as well, and quant as well. 'Cause I know that's kind of like my bread and butter in the audience that I have right now. So with that available through a mobile app, I'll be one of the only so-called gurus, whatever you want to call them, that will have I'll say a dedicated app, but it will be a dedicated native app for both Android and soon iOS, and it'll be 100% similar to what you see here. Um, and right now, as I said, I'm making everything very affordable for two reasons. As I said, I gotta start out from ground zero again, as well as I do know that the economy is tough for people. I get that. But as the value's built out, hopefully, yes, prices will go up as usual. That's just the way it goes with any business. Because if we're bringing value for people, yeah, things got to go up, because you'll notice a better quality of people come in as well. So as it stands right now, I'm pretty happy with where things are at. It took a while to get it to this point, and I'm pretty excited with it. As I said, with the groups, the only thing, questions, comments for sure. I am trying to get the engagement going on this. That is a hard. I don't know why people don't bother engaging, posting stuff. I've had the same experience with both Telegram and Discord, the same, um, but the opportunities there. Um, and I just think that with the public group, it's free. I mean, I just don't want people to spam it. I don't want people to be talking religion stuff. It's a big turnoff for people that are just wanting there to be for programming. Same with political and just social identity stuff. It just gets ugly when you allow it. Other than that, I just want programming, quant trading related, and trading as well. That's all fine and good. So that's what we're trying to build out here. It's a quick video, lengthy. As I said, as I roll out more videos on on the different features of the site, specifically the groups and the courses, be doing that. Um, and we'll, yeah, and the podcast will be still happening and all that. And the mobile app is where I'm very excited about. Another thing, new things that I'm seeing with this whole Wix, and that's WIX ecosystem. It's really good. Oh, okay, that's about it. And remember, if you want to join, come into the home and just right under here where it says learn. Yeah, that's where you opt in right here, get your name and info. I don't spam, or I should say, I don't release people's info. I'm very targeted based upon what people are interested in. And if you like everything, you may get something every day. It just depends on what you want. And no harm, no foul. If you don't like it, you just cancel out. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day. And remember, go to quantlabs.net registration, um, and you'll be fully on board. Over now. Thanks again.